Hello everyone, this is my first unboxing video and I'm very excited. I bought this bag a few days ago but have been waiting until today to open up in front of you. I wanted to have this bag for a quite long time but didn't get any chance to go and see physically in this store and want to try all the sizes which best suits me. And finally the time came and I got this one from one of the stores in London. Cannot express myself how happy I am to unbox the bag. So let's get started. The Gucci label itself is one of the best known fashion brand around the world. Can you all guess which color bag is inside? I love this box and the wrapping is so lovely. I love this dust bag, it's so soft and silky. I think the black color goes well with most of the outfit and will always remain trendy. I love this new design double G Marmont bag which is really attractive. And if you look at the back, we have an embroidered heart shape which is really cute and I love it. Now let me unwrap the straps. It has got a gold colored chain with some leather on the straps which can be worn as a crossbody or with a single or double strap over the shoulder. If you look inside, you have got more space to fit your stuffs, or even if you have larger smartphone, it fits easily. Well, as compared to my other classic Chanel flap bag which is small in size, and this Gucci Marmont is small in size as well, but I think this bag has got more space to go in. But however, they both look good in their own ways and I love them both. Now finally I have this designer bag with me and will be another addition to my collection. I think this bag goes well with most of the outfit amazingly and for all seasons. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you like to purchase this bag, there is a link in the description below. And again, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.